Venessa the Fiinessa, and thank you for tuning in. Okay, so I don't know why I'm mad excited right now. I just got a massive burst of energy. Do you know what we're here for today? You do know what we're here for today because you clicked on this video. We're here for BOXYCHARM, okay? We're here for BOXYCHARM. By the way, are you guys loving the red hair? Because I am. I love it. I recorded myself doing this, bleaching and dyeing this hair. And I haven't edited it yet, but it's gonna go up on my business channel as soon as I edit it, whenever that is. So if you guys aren't following my business channel, Bizarre Looks, like, what are y'all doing? What are you guys doing? So go over there. I'm gonna link it right here. Just go ahead and follow Bizarre Looks because we be dropping business tips and everything. Business tips, hair tips, you know, a lot of stuff. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and subscribe there. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe here too before you go, because who else gonna give you the game, all right? Who else gonna tell you how you can finesse your makeup game? Who else but Venessa the Fiinessa? Come on, go ahead, I'll wait. No, I won't. Who else gonna tell you and give you the game how to finesse things left and right, okay? Because, child... Anyway, so we gonna get into it, into the BOXYCHARM. What month are we in? March? Into March base box BOXYCHARM reveal. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so first thing on our BOXYCHARM is the 1111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. This bad boy retailed for $140. Now, this whole thing right here is metal. A little bit of ASMR moment. This thing right here is metal, but like it can feel like plastic, but like I know that it's really good quality. But this bad boy retails for $140. And the reason why it retails for $140 is because it's supposed to, this is like an eye cream on crack, I guess you can say. Let's read what BOXYCHARM wants us to know. The contour gel is a peptide-packed treatment gel specifically developed to focus on deep-set lines and wrinkles due to a loss of elasticity around the lips and eyes. So on the box it said that you can use it in your laugh lines and you can use it on your eyes. So I kind of use this as a, you know, under my eyes, you know, like a eye gel. That's how I use it. And 1111 Skin is kind of pricey, like $140. Like I know it's peptides are expensive, evidently, in skincare, because if you go find something with peptides in like a line of things, like let's take The Ordinary for example, their peptide stuff is like $10 more expensive, and you know The Ordinary is supposed to be affordable. So there we are on that one. But I used it. It felt nice. I'm not sure if it's supposed to tingle, but it tingles every time I use it. I don't know what that is about. I don't know if it's supposed to tingle, but like it's very nice and cooling. Because it has this metal tip right here. Can y'all see that? Because it has this metal tip, the metal tip stays cool. So when I put it underneath my eye, it's just like, it feels like it's giving me a deep puffing element where I could just put it right under my eye, and that feels so, like, I'm not even doing it now, but I'm mentally, I'm relaxed. Mentally, I am so relaxed. Like, this is relaxing me for no reason other than I can imagine what it will feel like. Okay, so next we have the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. If anything in here has earned its name, it's Too Faced. Yes, ma'am, she did that. If anything in here earned its name is Too Faced Damn Girl, that's exactly what I said when I put on the mascara. The mascara literally looks so good. It has like, it like lengthens and splays the lashes so that they're like separated and wispy. They look so good. Now I'm not one to layer on coats of mascara, although I should probably try that because it seems like it looks good, but like in one coat, my lashes looked so good. Mwah, chef's kiss. And I've been waiting to get my hands on this mascara since they launched because I'm a big fan of Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm a big fan. That's what I own right now. So when I got this in my box, when they announced that this was going to be in the base box, I was like, please, please let me get this in my base box. I really want this product. Please let me get this. I am in love with this. Do you hear me? I am literally in love with this mascara, because this is a mascara that I think is really good. I really, really like it. So, ooh, I didn't do my ratings. Oh my gosh. Okay, so on the 11/11 skin, would I recommend you to buy it? Out of 10, actually, like eye products and stuff like that, those are something that you would know if you would repurchase with long-term use. So I don't have enough information to tell you right offhand. I've been using it for I used it twice. I can't tell you if I would repurchase this again, but it's really expensive. If you can afford this, then sure, why not, right? If you can afford this without hurting the bank, sure, why not? You should get it. But honestly, I think there are cheaper alternatives. $140 is a lot to splurge, especially in a pan de queso. So would I recommend this? I don't think that I would. I think it's really nifty. I think if you have the money to splurge, then you should get this. But if you don't have the money to splurge, you really don't need it. You really don't need it. But it's so, oh my god, this is, all right, I would give this, out of design and construct alone, an 8 out of 10. I love it. I love it. The Better Than Sex Damn Girl Mascara. First of all, packaging. Okay, ma'am. Okay, Miss Ma'am, packaging. It looks like a giant diamond bippity boppity boo, like a giant diamond wand. Out of packaging 10 out of 10. Too Faced, just don't miss. They just don't miss.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
No.
Out of design concept and how it actually works, 10 out of 10. I'm not making this up. 10 out of 10. It is so, chef's kiss. It's so beautiful. Oh, and the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara retails for $26, and they said that it's a creamy mousse formula that's developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an intimate full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel. Innovative polymers keep lashes flexible while lifting, lengthening, and locking in 24 hours of smudge-proof, flake-resistant curl. Now, I was wondering why it was so thick, right? It was thick, and I thought that this looked different than other mascaras. It is thick in how it looked, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. It did not weigh down my eyes or anything like that, and it didn't flake the entire time I was putting it on. Even when I was fussing with putting on some fake lashes right on top of it, I thought, I don't know what I thought, but reading this is telling me everything I need to know, okay? This is telling me everything I need to know about this, and I love how it was formulated, because this seems like this would be my new go-to mascara, and I own quite a bit at this point, so definitely gonna keep this in my collection. 10 out of 10 would recommend, and it retails for $26, which I think is a fair price for the going rate of mascara. So the next product is Maven Beauty Maven Rosewater Setting Spray. I've used this, and honestly, I'm not a fan of Rosewater. I'm really just not a fan of Rosewater, and before getting this, I was just I have setting sprays, but I'm actually running out, so I guess this came right on time. And I was just okay, and another setting spray. I don't really think setting sprays are revolutionary, but when I sprayed this, I was like, this does not smell like rosewater, which I was happy about, because rosewater can have a really strong cloying scent, and that's not something that I particularly care for. The scent is like any other setting spray, with maybe a hint, just a small hint, but I don't know how they did this. So Maven Beauty, this rosewater setting spray retails for $22, and it says to set your intentions and your makeup with an aura lifting antioxidant packed rosewater setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for 16 hours. Prevent smudging? Sis, do you do that? Let's see. Prevent smudging. I might have to do a smudge test. I might have to do a smudge test. Would I recommend this? 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. $22, 8 out of 10. That's kind of cheaper than a lot of other setting sprays, unless you've gone the drugstore brand. 8 out of 10. I would recommend this. I would recommend this. And it makes my skin look so good. Anyway, I have the Illuminati Cosmetics sponge, so the makeup sponge, and this is so soft. It retails for $21, and that's $1 more than a beauty blender. Is this better than a beauty blender? I mean, it gets really big. I'm squeezing it right now. It gets really big, and I use it to apply my makeup, and I think she gives what it said it's supposed to give, but $21? Like, I was thinking I was gonna... $21. This is me rethinking a couple things. Like, I think this is a really good sponge. So if you splurge on your tools, I think the makeup sponge is something that you can splurge on and get, because it is a really good quality. It helped me blend out my concealer really well, and I like it. It's soft, but not too soft. It has form, and it gets really big. So that's something that I personally like. So 9 out of 10, I would actually recommend that you go and get this product. I like it. Vanessa likes it. So I think that you could go ahead and get this product if you want. It's not necessary if you already have tools that you love. So the next product is the KAB Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. So this claims that this will make your lips juicy and hydrated, and it's non-sticky, an instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different scents, and it's very comfortable and lasts all day. I used this the moment I got it. This one is purple. I thought it was going to come off all purple and whatnot, but it didn't. I used this the moment I got it, and I gave it to my sister to try, and I had never used a lip oil before, so I was very surprised that this lip oil was more like lip gloss, but more hydrating and didn't leave my lips all flaky, and it did last, which is surprising. I've never experienced this before, and I told my sister, I was like, yo, I'm gonna go get like all 4 of these, because I really like this product. 12 out of 10, I would recommend. Go off and go buy it. This is literally gonna be like, this is, out of everything in the box, I would say that the Damn Girl and the KAB lip oil are my literal favorites. I know some people in their BoxyCharm, they got more makeup stuff, and I'm very happy with what I got. My sister got a palette. Actually, she got 2 palettes because she just signed up for BoxyCharm, so congratulations to her. But she got 2 palettes, which was really cool. So I wish I kind of got more makeup, but I have enough makeup right now, so I'm gonna wait until my next month's box and see what I get. And yeah, this is it for this review. So let me know what you guys got in the comments down below in your BoxyCharm this month, if you got BoxyCharm, or if you have any questions about BoxyCharm, then drop it in the comments below. I'm going to be here all day answering questions and whatnot, so go ahead and do that. So before you leave, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel that you're watching this video. Hello, did you like it? Did you like this video? Go ahead and like the video. Like the video. Like it. Or am I like, yeah. Like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. This would help me so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'm so glad that you guys took time out of your day to come and hang out with me. So I'll see you guys.